Tomorrow morning, I will be getting on a plane for Las Vegas. A 5-day getaway, coming back Friday. Right now, I'm going to attempt to pack all my makeup and all my skincare in these 2 little bags. This was a free one from Lancome. This one was a free bag from NYX. We'll start with the makeup with the Lancome bag. Let's start with brow products. Here is, got an Anastasia brow definer, another mini brow definer, and a gel. No problem with that so far. Okay, let's go to like primer. This, I think is great because it's sunscreen and primer in one. Broad spectrum SPF 50 sunscreen from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's flawless poreless primer. So that's going to be my primer for the next week. Okay, what about foundations? Foundations usually take up a lot of room, right? That's when the joy of minis comes in handy. This one is from Tarte. This is BB Blur Tinted Moisturizer, SPF 30. And I'll bring a second option. This is IT Cosmetics CC Plus in SPF 50. Both miniatures, lots of room still. Okay. Now, for my cheeks, what am I going to bring? Let's start with a bronzer. And I think I'm going to just go with my favorite bronzer. It takes up a little room the most, but it is so good. I use this for everything. The Ambient Luminous Bronze Light from Hourglass. And for the blush, this is the Fenty Beauty Cream Blush. Nice and small and compact. And I'm also going to bring, to give me some options, this is a Huda Beauty Liquid Blush. Now you want a little bit of highlight, a little bit of extra glow. This is something I just picked up, Urban Decay Faced Bond Luminizer in Space Cowboy. Still have some room. Okay, so for the eyes, I'm not going to bring any of my big super palettes. I need to bring some liners. Here is one from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a new one I just got from Too Faced in Killer Chocolate. And let's see, this is an eye pencil from Julep. I'm also going to bring a Eyes to Mesmerize in Champagne from Charlotte Tilbury. And I'm going to bring one little palette. This is the Queen of Glow Luxury Palette from Charlotte Tilbury. It has nice shimmery neutral shades as well as a brown for lining. All right, mascara. I so happen to have a brand new, unopened, Exaggereyes Mini from Charlotte Tilbury. So now, on to the lips. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour, and this is the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk 2 liner. So bring both of those. Lipsticks, here is Charlotte's Kiss Talk, one of my favorites. This one is MAC Sitting Pretty, another one of my favorites. Oh, concealers. This is a mini of the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I am also going to bring the NYX Pro Fix Stick. So I still have a little bit of room. Let's see, can I fit in a powder? This is the Anastasia Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. And let's see, I'm going to top it off. I'm going to just add, for good measure, this Jones Road Shimmer Face Oil in a slight light pink. And I'm going to add the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Okay, this should do it. A week's worth of makeup in one little bag. There we go. Not going to have the wide variety of selections that I normally do, but I think I could come up with a lot of good looks for the trip with the stuff in this bag. Plus, you know, Vegas is a great place for shopping, so I'll probably be coming home with more than I'm going off with. As far as skincare goes, one of the keys to life in the desert, staying hydrated. So, let's start with the cleanser. This is the Clinique Take the Day Off, I think my very favorite makeup removing cleanser. very moisturizing, very gentle. I found a mini size in this. Perfect. This is a great under eye product. It's Korean skincare. It's called Voluphyline Ampoule. Fit that in here. Then I've got this miniature. This is from Ola Hendrickson Strength Trainer Peptide Boost Moisturizer. Let's get that in there. And this is what I've been using a lot. I started using it during the winter months when it's a little bit drier here. And this is the Foyer Organics. Now, I don't think I'm going to bring the cleanser from that. There are a lot of little sample cleansers that take up less room. But I am going to bring the eye cream and the night cream. I think I'm going to stick with a different day cream, one with more sunscreen to it. But these two little items are going right in here. And let's see, what else am I bringing? Okay, this is something I got recent Ulta sale. This is the Dime Luminosity Eye Serum. I think I'm going to also add some of this Tatcha Water Cream. And I'm going to top it off with a miniature of Charlotte's Magic Cream. And again, I'm probably going to buy more stuff on there, but this pretty much gives me the basics. With these two little bags, I think I've got a good chance of packing everything in my carry-on and not having to carry a pack bag there. We probably will be getting a pack bag coming back because, you know, my favorite thing to do in Vegas, shopping. But anyway, here we go. 2 full bags, makeup and skincare. Excited to take off tomorrow morning. That's the video for today. Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.